Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the dissecting microscope. Before we go any further, I'm going to explain the parts of the dissecting microscope. So we have here the knob. So you can see the light adjustment knob. We have two lights. First would be the overhead light. Okay. And then we have the stage light. Next would be the coarse adjustment knob, the bigger knob. Okay. And the fine focus adjustment knob, okay, to focus the image for more details. Okay. And then this is zoom, whereby it helps to zoom the parts or the structure of specimen. And this is the ocular lens. Okay. For today viewing, I'm going to use tissues, okay, to see the pores of the tissue, the structure of the pores. Okay. So basically, the dissecting microscope is used to view three-dimensional objects and also larger specimens. So it helps to give the image in more details, so that you can see, for example, if you see the insect, you can see the appendages, you can see the legs, the feathery legs of the insects. Okay. So let's start viewing. First, we switch on the lights. Okay, and then use the clips to clip tissue. Okay. Next, you start to view. Okay. Once you have spotted the image of the specimen, you can focus by using the fine focus adjustment knob. Okay. Then you can zoom. Okay, just zoom it to see the pores of the tissue. Okay, so after finish, you can switch it off. Okay, and remove your specimen. Okay, so that's it on the dissecting microscope. Hope you all have the experience and understand on how to use the dissecting microscope. That's all for now. Thank you.